I'm sorry, I provoked you. I have pasta and you don't. Yeah, I know, I know. You said that already. You know what this is? This is a t-shirt at the end of October. It's one of the best days we've had in the last month, like since mid-September. A lot of rain back then, some weird coldness, and now in the middle of beautiful fall I get to eat some Fettuccine Alfredo. Let's actually get a little ooh, a nice mountain of fettuccine outside. Crazy stuff. Cheers. We are trying organic strawberry rose flavored alkaline water with some sort of health benefits and a bit of calcium in there for some reason. Let's try this. Tastes like water with a bit of rose in it. Not much of a strawberry taste. There's no sugar though. Nothing. It's pretty much water. Which is cool but kind of odd at the same time. But it's healthy. Ooh. It's crazy, man. The weather is amazing. I already said my outdoor mukbangs goodbye for the year, and then poof, you get a couple super nice days. The food gods and the weather gods are working together to make this happen. Well done. So yeah, rose water. Hits you like water in the first second, and then the flavor pops in. This is nice. I have been eating a little healthier these last 3-4 days, but now it's like creamy pasta time. You can probably hear the screams of children. There's so many of them. But it's such a beautiful day. It just is. It's crazy. So yeah, this is interesting. Not something that I would drink on the regular. Water, then flavor. So you get neither actually. You're like waiting for a little dose of sugar or for it to be, you know, mixed, because it's really an aftertaste of like rose and I guess a tiny bit of strawberry in there. It's like you're taking a sip of water and then a tiny of a flavor pack. Not the most delicious combination, and the way it's spread out, I would say. You need to drink something. This is like heavy and creamy though. Yeah, I'll try a different rose water, not rose, something with rose in it, because this would not quite cut it. It's like two different products. Water featuring aftertaste. It's looking at me. It's still looking at me. Yeah, okay. I'm sorry, I provoked you. I have passed and you don't. Yeah, I know, I know. You said that already. He has another friend over there who is clearly more polite. Whew. Big plate. I'm filming here. Big plate. Big plate. Yes, 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 yes. Delicious. I mean, it's not that good. You're not missing out. Yeah, it's you know, I gotta pretend for the camera, but it's not that good. So don't. You can go. You don't have to keep on being envious of my pasta. All right, it's gonna be fine. Uh-oh. Gotta get out of here. There's more of them. He's calling his friends, I think. Oh yeah, another one. Oh god, okay. It's finished. It's finished. Yeah, I'm sorry. You missed your chance. And he leaves. Oh, that's beautiful. See, oh my god, this is pretty cool though. All joking aside, clearly I did not pay that bird. It's a real bird. It's not a CGI bird. This is fun. This is not only a mukbang, but outside mukbang. Sometimes cool, random things happen like this. I pretty much enjoy it. This is like, it makes the day that much better. Really cool stuff. I hope you enjoyed. I'll take another sip of that just because I need to wash it down. Yeah, see, he knows it's not that good. Oh, it's like a water and then the thing. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Thanks for the weather. Mother Nature is very kind. Give it up for the bird, even though he was a little rude. And I'll see you next time. Who knows, at this point I'll be making outdoor videos until December, if it keeps on having ridiculous cool days like this. Yeah, so there you go. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.